Live, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Today, billionaire John Paulson, the billionaire investor who accurately predicted and bet against the subprime mortgage crisis in 2007, has some kind words for cryptocurrency, mainly that it is a financial bubble bound to eventually collapse. I wouldn't recommend anyone to invest in cryptocurrency, Paulson told Bloomberg during a recent interview. Now, the financier who is retired from the hedge fund business made close to $4 billion in 2007 when he bet against the subprime mortgage lending market, a decision that reportedly made him one of the biggest fortunes in Wall Street history. Now, during the recent talk with Bloomberg, Paulson described the crypto industry tokens as devoid of any actual value except that they exist in limited supply. The industry will ultimately prove worthless in the long run, he said. When asked whether he was a fan of crypto, he put it in this way: "No, I'm not. And I would say that cryptocurrency are a bubble. I would describe them as limited supply and nothing more. So to the extent there's more demand than the limited supply, the price would go up. But to the extent the demand falls, the price would go down. There is no intrinsic value to any of the cryptocurrency except there is a limited amount." Now, cryptocurrency, regardless of where they are trading today, will eventually prove to be worthless. Once the exuberance wear off, the liquidity dries up, they will go to zero. I wouldn't recommend anyone to invest in cryptocurrency. Paulson further added that the crypto market was too volatile to effectively bet against, as he did with the housing market in 2007. Now, the reason for shorted subprime in size was because of the asymmetrical shorting or a bond at par that has limited duration that trades at 1% spread of the treasury. So you can't lose more than the spread in the duration. In crypto, there's unlimited downside. So even I could be right over a long term, in the short term, I'll be wiped out. In that case of Bitcoin, it went from 5,000 to 45,000. It's just too volatile, too short. So there you have it. Some high praise. So to be fair, Paulson is not only the one who have made this prediction. Lots of other big important business people like Jamin Diamonds and Warren Buffett, for instance, share the supply of nothing view of crypto, with similar theories about coming token fuel financial meltdown. Such professional opinions have not stopped the recent surge in interest in the coins.
Wow.
Manish, billionaire.
So, yeah, some people believe that because of its volatility and with the supply, they think that it's a biggest risk. Of course, we respect their the knowledge.
Opinions.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
it's
opinions.
these opposite opinions that creates polarities, that creates volatility. So if people believe in these, they start to sell. We make money. Manish, we buy more coins,
Yeah,
right?
that's why when the internet, I always say this, when the internet was born, that time also we had this kind of opinions in the
Yeah,
market.
you're right.
That's
You're right.
where somebody and many of the millionaires have started saying that our privacy will be on risk. But
Mm.
now we can't even live without the internet. What can't even think about it. Any
Exactly.
questions comes in our mind, we first look our phone to jump on a Google and further research the questions.
Right.
So
That
yes,
yeah, the thing that I when he said that, or one perspective I feel, in terms of trying to look at a corporate company that actually produces goods and services, it may make one sense in his statement. But what I feel and what we follow in Root Zones is Michael Saylor, who said he's after the blockchain technology,
so
right?
we believe we are the technology believer. That's what even we follow the word and the statement from microseller. We are
Mm,
also a technology believer. We it's something that we cannot avoid it,
exactly.
and all our banking system at one point of time is going to move, uh, going to adopt the blockchain. So
Exactly. Exactly. And then today you look at this blockchain now. We just got off a call with Ben Toda from
yeah,
MNG. Amazing guy. really inspiring, and he's going to be a game changer.
Yeah,
That's the
I like
irony.
his statement. At one point of time in his live stream, he mentioned that don't trade with your emotions, trade with
Yeah,
your strategies and plan.
yeah.
So this is one message for from today's conversation, which I'm going to take it away and I'm going to apply. And I think we. So this is about true zones, right? We bring good news and the bad
Bad
news.
news of root zones, and we always go to the heart of the matter. That's the root. We zone in, and then we find the answers in the complex world and bring it to our
Yeah.
community in simple, in a simple way, basically.
So we take this and we take this opinion of Mr. Joel Paulson and put it across to our audience. Let them think also,
Yeah,
and let us know in the comment sections what they think about
this,
this opinion.
yeah, yeah, that's right, Manish. So that's all I have in the news. It's been a trending news. But however, good news on the stock market. Sorry, on the crypto market side of things. So I will be sharing on the total market value after your segment. So back to you,
Yeah,
Manish.
sure. All right. So today I'm coming up with one funny and interesting thing. So don't laugh, guys.
So all Manish set up. Join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you like money in crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Manish, back to you.
All right, guys. So here in front of you is something called AppSwap. AppSwap is a leading decentralized exchange on Binance Smart Chain and Polygon focused on offering a premium trading experience. This is what the AppSwap claims it. User can incentivize the pool liquidity on AppSwap through a yield farming to earn the native currency called banana. As of now, banana market price is $4.66. Additional ape can use their earn banana to stake and earn more tokens and unlock exclusive features built by DeFi app. For a DeFi ape, we have means the app swap team with the year of experience who are committed to do the DeFi community and growing their app swap jungle. So let me walk you through what is this about. It's almost similar like a pancake swap where you have a home interface. You can see you can do farms and staking. Once you collect to your wallet, you will be able to unlock this. And this is about the banana stats. If you see market cap, banana in circulations, and you have banana which is burn, and these are the liquidity. So total value locked is this much, and I'm going to show you an amazing way to earn some passive income. All right, so this is always we mentioned before we show something in cryptos. It's not a financial advice, guys. Do your own research. Uh, do find your own research and then invest based on your findings. All right, so let me move to the okay uh, pool. So pool is one of the interesting feature we have it same like pancake swap. You have something where you can put a money and uh, you can get a banana token in the return. So let me show you how this works. So banana per thousand. Okay, so this is ROI, a return of investment. If you put $1,000 of $1,000 of banana and you are going to pool it, or you're going to lock it for a pool, this is what your return would be. In one day, you will be getting 0.6. In 7 days, you will be getting a 4.21 banana. And in 30 days, you will be getting almost a 19 bananas. And if you are locking it for a year, you are going to get 376 bananas. How to lock it? It's very straightforward. Connect to your MetaMask, your Trust wallet, and whatever wallet you have it. So I'm just going to show you example with my demo MetaMask account. Okay, next and connect. So Ape is already connected um, to my MetaMask. You can see here the address is already popping up. then you can enable this. How you can do that? First you have to come to exchange, you have to buy a banana here. So you need BNB to swap it to banana. So for that you have to connect to wallet. If you have a MetaMask, connect, next, and once you connected, you should have some BNB in your account. As of now, I do not have it, very limited account because it's my demo account. I don't keep my tokens or money here. It's just to show demos. So you can see this, I can select it as a max. Then if you have, just think, one BNB, you will be able to swap it with 102 bananas. Okay, if you're going to put 2 BNB, it means it's your $1,000 investment, and then you are going to get 205 bananas. So you have to first swap it. Once you swap it, you will own a banana. Now after that, you have to go to pool, come here and unlock wallet, connect to MetaMask, and then enable it. So it will look for a banana here, whether you have any sufficient banana or not. If you have a sufficient banana, it means like any amount of I have just shown you the ROI for the 1,000 bananas. If you have 100, 200 also, you can enable the pooling and you can start earning a banana using this pool. So this is one feature you can also use to swap, same like pancake swap, uh, to any token which is on a Binance Smart Chain network. So if you want to buy a Moon Nations, that is also possible. How you can do it is you just need to copy this contract address, come here, okay, and try to search your crypto here. Okay, you can see I can import Moon Nation Gaming, import, and it's just a risk warning. You just import it, and if you have a BNB, you will be able to swap it. So what are the benefit you have it with this app swipe? First one, it's a swap platform where you can use your BNB to swap any token which is in Binance Smart Chain network. Okay, so this is about swap. Then I talked about pool. Then you have something called farming. Okay, farming is also you can put a pair of tokens, either banana and BNB, and then you will be able to get APR of 148 .14%. So per thousand, this is will be your return. So if you see the return, it's much higher side than the pooling. Pooling, I have just explained you. The pooling was 400 bananas you will be getting in a year, whereas if you're going for a farming, you'll be able to get in 365 days 726 bananas, and each banana cost $4.60. And of course, this is not the fixed one. It's, again, it's a crypto, so it's going to even increase further. So let's see what is the tokenomics of AppSwap Finance Banana. Okay, so here's the market cap. Let's see what was the all-time high. Look at that, guys. The all-time high, it was somewhere 4 months back, $11.43, and all-time low was in same year. I think in April it was around 80 cents. Look at the volatility. My God. So in April it was 80 cents, and now it's in $5, and the all-time high was $11. So this is listed as of now. It's listed in AppSwap and PancakeSwap. If you want to buy, you can buy it, or if you want to invest on a liquidity or a farming or a pool, you can, all those things you can use it here. So that's all I have it. They have some more features like a lotteries and and trading also. So I'm not going to cover that because it's a similar to pancake swap.
Right.
But
Manish, the reason why you cover this is also this is one of the most best interests they are giving, right?
yeah, the most best interest and
Mm.
most best return of investment you are going to get it. So this is
Right.
something that yes, you can try with a smaller investment, and if you think that it's good, you can further explore.
Right. So I think the name of the game, guys, if you are watching this, is to always find abilities of coins, utility that can generate passive income for you. So we already mentioned a few things like Pancake. We have done. Of course, there's some security features that you need to enable. Manish covered that in a few videos. We have now Manish covered Ape. We have Royal Q that also produces money, and then we also have MNG who has some components of something that they call reflection. So for any buy, any sell, any transfer, you get 3% of that particular transaction. So if someone sells 1,000,000 coins, imagine you're going to get 3% of that
Yeah.
transaction.
So I'm going to final one. I'm going to just cover the roadmap of ape swap
Sure.
priorities. You can see as of now they are into this first phase, and then where you have trading pairs, you have a single click yield farming, then you have a mining opportunities, you have prioritize a user friendly interface, auto compounding, burning wallets, vaults, it has it. So these are all you have it already in this phase 1 and phase 2. They are going to launch the launch pad, they are going to build a program into an incubator. Then you have then they are coming up something called initial ape offerings. These features are unknown yet because they have not informed in a website. Probably in the next quarter they are going to launch all these features that probably will cover in our streams. And the final one is this: they have a plan to launch app TV podcast into a suite of branded content. So let's see. Looks promising. The roadmap looks promising. Let's see when all these features are available. When this released, when these features are updated, even it's in a beta phase, I'll try to cover it. So that's all I have it, Wayne, for today.
Thanks, Manish. Great coverage on that. So
Yeah.
let's see what's happening on the market side of things. So we have a 2.5 trillion dollars market. This is the total market of the crypto. There's about 300 over 91 exchanges. There is 11,000 coins, right? So 2.5 trillion would actually eventually get Bitcoin to the 64 levels, hopefully. Right now, we are actually stuck somewhere. There's some resistance on the 2.17 trillion. So if we can break that and have good support, or where the resistance become the support, we can see a very nice run up in the coming months. We are still early. Of course, I have to actually add two more indicators, which let me see if I can add the indicators now. Just call the MA moving averages. I'll just put 2. At least you guys get to see how to actually change this my screen. Let me just give me a second, guys. Let me I have some issues with my screen, so just give me a second. MA input 200. Let me share this, press OK.
Okay. If
50.
you want, you can enable avatar for
Huh?
a while. Mhm.
Yeah. So, okay. There you go. Let's see what's happening now. We can actually see a cross being formed. Uh, yeah, let me just put this, guys, for you. Let me just see. Yeah, so you can see a cross being formed very nicely here. We had a golden kind of a death cross on 6th of July 2020. If you can look at this, 1st of September, very nice. Ushering, you have two candles, great volume, higher than usual, bullish, pushing it up. You can see these candles, right? Mostly when the candle closed, this is on the day chart. So you have very less bulls versus more, very less red candles actually represents the bear. This is the bulls. So more bulls coming in. Of course, we had recent turbulence that's coming. We are channelizing right now, accumulation. You can see a very nice run up. So when this actually goes and gets supported somewhere around this mark, we will see a very nice run up, especially in conjunction with the golden cross. So I hope that is also being reflected back at Bitcoin. So let's see how that is happened. So basically what I'm trying to say is that when 2.2 trillion comes into the market, 50% goes into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin takes about 45% dominance. So we are 71. So still there's confidence in the market. People are still bullish about Bitcoin. Stock market also, of course, is status as always, because that is another avenue where money, when the pop happens, will flow into crypto, will flow into gold, will flow into real estate. Some even go into commodities like oil, lumber, and so forth. If you look at this big square represents Bitcoin, of course, with Ethereum. Cardano, of course, make it to third place, and you get to see the 11,000 coins. So you know the kind of market size they actually have based on this heat map. So if you look, we are currently 2.13 trillion. I hope to actually see this actually moving up to 2.2. There are rumors, of course, there's some dip that is coming, but it won't be a kind of a crazy dip like we saw sometime in May, because there's a lot of money inside Bitcoin from Grayscale that has a 6 months lock-in feature, which they actually pump in money sometime in August. So we have August, September, October, November, December, January, February. So until February, then you start to see a sellout that may happen from Grayscale, which is expected, as we have shared multiple times on the actual market nature of Bitcoin. For those, let me just share that again. I think this was the chart that I shared previously. If you can see, it actually shows you the ones in green are where we get to see Bitcoin being at the strongest. And of course, when Bitcoin moves up, all the altcoins followed. And we have from Jan onwards, you can see more rates. This is time when you do your dollar cost average becomes more prominent, because you'll be buying cheaper when Bitcoin drops to acquire more coin. And when you add both the red and the green, your overall coin becomes a dollar cost average. Like Manish and me, sometimes we will buy at certain levels of time where some certain prices are up. But overall, when you look at the single coin, and you can use Coin Gecko to actually track all your portfolios, because in the crypto space, there's no one consolidated way. We have MetaMask, we have all these wallets. Yesterday we opened, Manish, what was the account we opened yesterday? We had to open another.
Oh, is KuCoin, no?
We opened a KuCoin exchange, Binance
KuCoin
exchange.
exchange. I
We
think
got
we'll be covering.
CoinHako. So many wallets. So we use CoinGecko as a means to capture how much we bought, what is our actual money put into crypto, and how much it has risen over time. So try to have that portfolio in place, so you know exactly what you are investing in. And it's also good to have multiple wallets. Reason is because crypto space is still not regulated, so there are risks, and you want to mitigate the risk by pockets of different wallets. So if one gets hacked, or for some reason there's some political policies that come in and you can't pull your money out, at least you have cryptos in other areas. So something to think about until such a time where policy makers comes in, control mechanisms are there, security is there. Of course, it goes against the decentralized nature of Bitcoin, because I don't need third party as government or banks to actually do a one-to-one transaction. So with that, let's see what's happening over the 24 hours. Bitcoin is down by 0.09. Ethereum is up by 3.88. Cardano is up by 1.56. BNB is up by 1.62. USDT is break even. XRP is up by 5.23. Dogecoin is up by 1.14. Solana is down by 7.31 today. Of course, breaking the $100 barrier. Polkadot is up by 1.25. USDC is up by 0.01. So Chainlink somehow dropped off the top 10, and as well BUSD, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Of course, if you invested in 1 month, these are the kind of returns you will get. 20%, 100 over percent for Cardano, BNB, USDT. USDT is a stable coin, so you won't get that kind of percentage. Of course, you can see XRP 60 over percent, Dogecoin 30, Solana of course 200%. So 2x your money. If as Manish has covered before, during the time of 29, his prediction was that this will go to the roof. So for those who actually followed that prediction, you would walk away pretty good in the last 3 months, right, Manish? What was it?
Yep.
3 months. You covered 3 months ago, Solana.
Yep.
So yeah, 200%. But we are coming again to the bull, guys. So from October to December, that cycle will come in again. All the coins naturally will rise and fall a bit, enough for you to buy in. Now, in Bitcoin side of things, of course, we are stable at the 44,000 support. Will it actually climb up? That is yet to be seen. But you can see the two same green candle that is replicated to when I showed you the total market cap. So there's a correlation between the looking at the total market cap and Bitcoin. Again, Bitcoin take 50%. So I don't see this actually falling. I think this is the beginning of 50. Looking at stock to flow have predicted, and they have been successfully predicting based on multiple algorithms in the thing, taking hashing, transaction wallets, buyers and sellers, futures, options, and so much more data points. They are able to predict that Bitcoin will be 100,000 per coin by the end of December, and of course now they have forecasted that maybe in the next 10 years, one Bitcoin would be $1 million. So let's see if that comes to fruition. So blockchain, of course, have been down. This is T minus one. So that means that we have actually kind of a small dip, which is natural. We see a small dip here, and then you see a rising that happens. Small dip rises, and we are supposed to get back to the height where we were sometime in May. So we still have a long way more to go. Maybe in conjunction with what's happening, as you can see, there's this cross that is forming, as well as taproot that will be coming in later upgrades. So that's all I have today, and keep the channel going. Thank you for all your questions and support on Root Zones, both in the Telegram group as well as on YouTube. So with that, we'll see you
Thanks,
tomorrow.
guys, for all your continuous support. I can see every day we are growing almost 10 subscriber, and very fast we are going to hit a 500 mark. So
Yep.
thanks for all your support, and keep loving, keep subscribing. And if you have any further questions, please let us know.
See you guys. Take care.
See you guys. Take care.